Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here right now in RT Praras Trading, which is situated along the road from Binalonan towards Orthaneta direction, and it's about like 500 to 700 meters from McDonald's side on the right hand side. So here I had visited, and I had seen so much impressive handmade work for the Jabalina wood, which is like swing chair. They have sittings, different kind of sitting in a group for like a group or team members. They can sit and relaxing. But those chairs are only in available in as a solid wooden structure so far. But if in case you need like soft cushions in a foam, there will be some additional charges. Producing all Jabalina wood furniture, like this kind of swing chair. You call this one swing chair, sir? Swing. That's nice. How much is costing like this? How much? 2,700. This is strong enough?
Yeah.
How many kilo he can sit the person?
Even 150.
150, no problem, right? That's good. So this 2,700, right? That's good. And how about this next one?
3,000.
3,000.
That's cheaper, this one.
Why? What is the difference? But this one is more. You have both more big, more in size.
But it's labor is very expensive
Because of this curving and these things. Correct. You are right. So how much you said this one?
3,000.
3,000. So this 2,700 and yeah. As compared to this one, this is nice because this one it will take if you have a big area, you will take it. This is compact in the small area, it will take easily. But I like the beauty, but only some joints, but it's okay, acceptable. Especially these gaps. But it's homemade. The locally sorry there. I see. Nice collection. And then this is like chest lounge.
Lonjun. That we call lonjun.
What you call?
Lonjun.
Lonjun.
Yeah.
So these are the sizes, right?
Different size. This is small.
This like maybe 130, 140 centimeter.
Yeah.
This may be like 2 meter.
7 or 2 meters.
So how much the pricing range?
This one is 3,500.
3,500.
4,000.
3,500. 4,000. That's good. And then you have this one for the children.
Baby crib.
Baby crab. Cradle or crab. How much this one? 5, right? This is all Jabalina wood, right? And how about this one? Very nice set. So have 4 singles and the table.
25.
25. All everything, right? This complete set.
Yes, one set. This is one set.
25, right?
Side table.
And how about this one? 25 also.
Yeah.
But here you have more work because here you have the round circle.
Yeah.
More work, more labor. That's nice. And this is like what you call the decorations.
That is plant stand.
Plant stands. Okay,
Yeah.
you call plant stands.
Oh.
So how much this price is?
This 6 is 500.
500. Okay.
This one is 1,000.
1,000.
6,600.
600. I see. And then you have this sofa set.
This one is also one seat. This one.
Yes, I see. So altogether how much?
50.
50. But you are putting the cushions, including cushions? No cushion. Right.
If you want, hey,
Another price charges.
it's for 4,000.
4,000. So plus 4,000 more, right? So this is you have CNC some machines or by all this handmade?
Handmade.
Handmade, right? By carving by the people, right? That's good. And how about this one? 30, right? Here now we are in a dark, but it's okay.
40.
40. And then this one,
The same with this.
same, this 40, right? Same, this chairs. How about this dining chairs?
4,000 each.
4,000 each, right? And this chair,
2,000.
2,000. And how about this complete set with
One set, yeah.
with the 8 chair, right?
Yeah. With the glass. 8-seater.
Yeah, 8 seater. How much?
I'll give you 25.
25,000, right? Okay, this you have the dressing mirror and this console table.
16.
16 altogether, right? This one is nice, more, but you have more beauty here.
Oh. I'll give you 40.
40, right? And how about this one?
25.
25,
18.
18.
Because this is a 6 piece.
This is 6, so
Yeah.
that is 8, correct.
Not like this.
Yes,
Eight.
absolutely, yeah. Then again 6.
The same.
How much you said? 16? 16, right? It's beauty. And how about the queen size or king size bed?
48. The size is 48 by 70 pound.
Okay.
Give you 15. 15.
15, right? And how about this kind of designs?
17. This is 54.
54,
Size
right?
is 54 by
54 by 70. 75. 72. So how much this one?
16.
16, right? But this charge is your deliveries including or only this area only, right?
This area.
Surrounding, maybe you can deliver in San Manuel, Flores, Binalonan or Urdaneta, you can cover up, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
This is 15.
15
This is among the wood.
among which wood?
Manga.
Banga.
Manga wood. Oh, mango. Mango wood.
Mango wood. Okay, mango wood.
It's cheaper
So
than,
you said manga wood.
Manga wood.
Manga wood. So this is cheaper than the
Really, no.
Jabalina, right?
Manila wood.
Okay. So this one 4-seater plus the 3-seater 15. So much cheaper this price. But this mango wood also is it's good for outdoor in the rainy time. No. But Jabalina under the rain is good.
Inside.
Jabalina also inside.
It's the same in
But sometime the rain coming a little only, it's okay.
Okay.
No problem, right? So this is king size bed, right? It's nice.
This is 60 by 75 bed.
Yes, correct, yeah. How much this one?
25.
25, right? Then you have this dressing tables.
Dresser.
Dressers.
Dresser, yeah. 17.
17 and
The
17.
same with
Correct. Nice, yani mashallah, you have good collection. And you can do any design also. If we can give you design, you can do also, right? No problem. That sounds good. Because it's not recorded. So this one 48 and 36 on the top, and you have a stair to go into the up. So it's a bunk bed. It's 17 gear, right? This is also made of Jabalina wood. Jabalina, right? Thank you so much, sir. Jabalina, except only this one. Except this two only, the mango wood. But if some people, they will ask you, you can do also the mango board in another design, right?
Yeah.
Like custom design. But overall, this man is drawing in two kinds of mostly wood, Jabalina locally, which is strong enough for the local market, and then they have some manga wood which they are getting from mango trees. So overall, so I will blow the number of Mr. RT Paras, so you can contact him for the further for the more questions if you need it. But overall, I had put my some random prices, so you can go through my this blog. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.